Hello folks, today I'm be doing a very quick dish. It is couscous and I'm making it in a Jamaican way, like how we do rice and peas in Jamaica. Couscous is much more healthy than rice, and so it's always good to try new stuff. Alright, today of course I have the couscous, and I have some red kidney beans. I'm using the ones from the can because the dish it doesn't take that long to prepare. Of course, if you want to do it the original Jamaican way, you can boil your peas. This is maybe 2 cups of peas, or yeah, one full cup of peas. Yeah, and I'm using half of this, or maybe a cup of the couscous. I'm using 1 cup of water, so 1 cup of couscous to 1 cup of water. I got garlic and I got scallions, and over here I have some coconut milk that I've already diluted. Alright, so today we're doing couscous. Alright, now you can also I have the Mediterranean flavored one here. You can get the one that is just normal without any flavor. But I like the taste of this one. Alright, so let's get cooking. Okay, to start, we have 1 cup of water in our pot, and we've set that to boil. Now, because I'm using the red kidney beans, I'm gonna start cooking, at least putting everything in the pot before it actually reaches a boil. Quinoa is one of those grains that it cooks almost immediately. You don't need to have it on the fire, alright? So you just need to immerse it, just soak it in boiling water, and it does the job. So the first thing I'm gonna add is my garlic. I cut 2 cloves of garlic, and of course we want the garlic because we want that authentic Jamaican rice and peas flavor. So we're going to put the garlic. Then we're going to add the green onions or scallions, and the green onions is mainly for flavor and color. And remember, because of the quick way in which this dish boils, you know, we're not gonna leave it, leave these stuff in there. They won't get all too cooked out. All right, so we're gonna just create that flavorful water for it to add it into. All right. Now my steam is rising, so I have to put my camera back a little bit. Yeah. All right. Now I'm adding the red kidney beans, and I'm gonna stir. Now I'm not gonna add any type of salt to this pot, because I want to add the kidney beans, and not the kidney beans, sorry, the quinoa, the couscous. Oh Jesus, help me. And that in itself may carry flavor because of the Mediterranean flavorings in it. I also added a little bit of soy sauce to the pot, and so pretty much what we do now is allow it to boil, and as soon as it reaches a boil, we add the couscous in, and we'll take it to the other stage. Need to add before I put my couscous in is my coconut milk, and so I'm going to add that now, and my coconut milk will give us that authentic Jamaican coconut flavor, and yeah, it's going to be just like rice and peas in Jamaica, so stay tuned. Okay folks, so my peas and seasonings has been boiling, or it reached to a boil. I allowed it to boil a little bit longer just to have the flavors marry some more. I also added a Scotch bonnet pepper to the mix, and that's a whole pepper. I did not puncture it any at all. When you add pepper to the pot in this way, you get the good flavor but not the heat. All right. So I added that. Now I'm gonna turn my stove off, and once I turn my stove off, immediately I add the quinoa, the couscous. I keep mixing it up. All right. So one cup of couscous to 1 cup of water, and you just stir. Remember, do not break your pepper. You just stir, and you pretty much leave it like that for a little bit. All right, you leave it on the stove for 5 minutes in this way, and when you come back, it would have been nice and fluffy, and then you will, finish it up. All right. Okay, folks. So come back in a couple of minutes. So here we have the finished product, folks. My rice and peas, the Jamaican style rice and peas couscous, and it's been off the stove now for a little bit, and I just wanted to show you a plating. Here I've presented it with some jerked chicken and some slices of avocado. Once again, you can try it. Couscous is a very, very versatile grain, and it's also very good if you are thinking about the health side of things. So try this in your neck of the woods. Once again, Yardie belly no foreign, and this is my Jamaican style rice and peas couscous.